Hello and welcome to Parivartan India IS Academy. In this session we will discuss the important current affairs of the Hindu, that is 16th December 2023. Let us discuss the important news of today's discussion is huge turnout for Prajavani. What is Prajavani? In this session we will discuss what is Prajavani. In early Prajavani was called Praja Darbar. Okay, let us see. A long queue of people waiting to submit their grievance at weekly Prajavani was seen alongside the road leading to the Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Praja Bhavan at Begumpet. Okay, what is this scheme? We will see program. The program is held on Tuesday and Friday and every week between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the name of the program was changed from Praja Darbar to Prajavani. In early this program was called Praja Darbar. Now Congress government changed this name Praja Darbar to Prajavani, and in that 2 days program that is held on Tuesday and Friday in every week between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. In this program, the grievances including housing, revenue, asara pension, health and job related issues. Okay, let's move to another news. That is, we know very well election was conducted in 5 states on 13th November 2023 in this 5 states, that is Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Mizoram. Here what news mean? Sharma sworn is as a Chief Minister of Rajasthan. In that we will see in 5 states which party was won the election and who became the Chief Minister of that states and constituency. Okay, let's see the Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister is Vishnu Deo Sai and constituency is Kunkuri, party BJP. And another state, that is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is Bhajan Lal Sharma and constituency is Sanganer BJP party. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Mohan Yadav and constituency he won this election from the constituency of Ujjain South and from BJP party. And in Telangana, this is important because BRS was opposition was BRS and Congress party was won the election. In that Revanth Reddy is a Chief Minister from the constituency of Kodangal. Mizoram, Laldu Homa and constituency from Satchip and party Zoram National Party. In that out of 5 states, 3 states BJP party owned and 1 state Congress and another one state, that is Mizoram. In that Mizoram Zoram National Party. Let's move to the another news. That is, it is important news for today's discussion. Let's discuss. Telangana catapults to top 3rd per capita income bracket. Okay, from 2011 to 2012, from 2011-12 to 2022-23. This is Telangana graph and this is AP and this is Karnataka and this Tamil Nadu. The per capita of Telangana consistently increased, but in COVID time It's decrease down and again they up. Okay, we will see. The Telangana state is third highest per capita income in the country. According to the state government, Telangana is the third highest per capita income in country, in whole country. The Telangana position is third, and before Telangana was formed, the per capita of Telangana is 91,121. That is lower than Goa, Haryana, Kerala and other states. In 2014 and 15, the state formation, formation of state year, in that the per capita income of the state is 1,24,104. It was tapped 13 state. Currently 2022 and 23, the per capita income of Telangana is this one, these points. This per capita income ranked below the state of Sikkim and Delhi. That's why in first position Sikkim per capita income is high, then Delhi, then Telangana state. That's why we said Telangana state is third highest per capita income, and only Tamil Nadu and Haryana and Karnataka came close to the state per capita income. State recorded double digit growth in per capita income. Okay, state always recorded double digit number, but in COVID time it lodged a negative growth, that is 2.45%. Okay, in Telangana state there are 33 districts. In Telangana state there are 33 districts. In this, Rangareddy is the highest per capita income. Rangareddy is the highest per capita income. First Rangareddy, and second is Hyderabad. According to the Niti Aayog, despite wide regional variation, all the districts, it's good news, and all the districts have higher per capita income than the national average. Our all districts is higher. All districts higher than the national per capita income. This is good. Not only state in third highest per capita income, and all our districts is above the average of national per capita income. We move to the another news, that is government committed to implement each and every promises, says governor. Okay, Congress government preparing an action plan based on promises. Bhumata portal will replace Dharani. We know Dharani portal very well. Dharani portal, now it is called Bhumata portal. Okay, and our honorable governor ma'am said Congress government committed to implement each and every promises. Let's see Congress 6 guarantees. First one is Mahalakshmi scheme. In that 2,500 monthly financial assistance for women and free bus travel for women across the state an LPG cylinder at the cost of 500 rupees. Okay, and another one is Raitu Bharosa, 15,000 per year for farmer and tenant farmers. This important, tenant farmer also there, and 12,000 per year per farm laborers and 500 bonus for paddy crops. Okay, Yuva Vikasam Vidya Bharosa card worth 5 lakh per students, and Telangana International School, this important, Telangana International School in every mandal. In every mandal Telangana International School will establish. And we moved fourth scheme, that is fourth guarantee, that is Indramma Inlu, land for house and 5 lakhs per construction for those who do not have own house. 5 lakhs rupees for who do not have own house, for construction of house they give 5 lakh rupees, and 250 square yard land for all the activists of Telangana movement. In Telangana movement, many activists died for that 250 square yard land for all the activists of Telangana movement. And fifth guarantee is Gruha Jyoti, in that 200 units of free electricity for every household 200 unit free. And Chayuta's last guarantee, that is 4,000 rupees per month pension to the elders, for elders 4,000 rupees, and 10 lakhs Rajiv Arogya Sri insurance. In Rajiv Arogya Sri insurance 10 lakh rupees they provide. We move to the another news, that is Yemen Houthi rebels claim attacks on 2 Red Sea cargo ship. Okay, 2 cargo ships in the Red Sea have been attacked by missile fired from terrorists in Yemen. In Red Sea, two cargo ships in the Red Sea have been attacked by the missile fired from the terrorist. They are from Yemen. Okay, in this news we will discuss the countries, border countries of Red Sea, and we will discuss the trick to remember border countries of Red Sea. Okay, let's see. This is Red Sea. Okay, and border countries is Egypt, Sudan, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Djibouti, Eritrea. Okay, there are 6 countries. Let's see the trick to remember the Red Sea countries, border countries of Red Sea. That is this sea. Okay, D for Djibouti, E for Eritrea, and S for Saudi Arabia, and another S for Sudan, E for Egypt, Y for Yemen. Djibouti, Eritrea, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Egypt, Yemen. There are 6 bordering country in Red Sea. That is trick is Desi, D-E-S-S-E-Y. D-E-S-S-E-Y. D belongs to, means D for Djibouti, E for Eritrea, S for Saudi Arabia, and another S for Sudan, E for Egypt, and last Y for Yemen. Okay, this is important, and you should remember this trick, because in every exam map pointing is important. Every exam map pointing questions will come, and you should remember this trick also. It's easy for remembering. Let's move to the another news. This is last but not least, and you should remember these tricks also. In this news, G7 Russian diamond curve would not hurt us. This is news but not important news, but we will discuss What is G7 countries and what is G8 countries and G20 countries? In that we will discuss. In how many countries are there in G7? G7 there are 7 countries, G8 8 countries, G20 and 20 countries. Let's see which was those. That is Germany, UK, France, Canada, US, Italy and Japan. This is G7 countries excluded Russia. Included Russia, that is G8 countries. Okay, included Russia, G8 countries, excluded Russia, G7 countries, and all these countries included Russia also. This is G20 countries. In G20 countries, this also, this and this one. Turkey, European Union, Argentina, Brazil, South Korea, Mexico, China, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Australia, India and South Africa. Let's see the tricks to remember the G7 countries and G8 countries and G20 countries. Let's see, that is G7 countries. G7 countries. G7 countries, the trick is to remember these countries is juice girlfriend or drinking juice with girlfriend. Drinking juice with girlfriend. Here juice and GF, the red marker. J for Japan and U for USA, I for Italy, C for Canada, E for England and G for Germany, F for France. Juice, Juice. This is juice. Japan, USA, Italy, Canada and England. Girlfriend, GF. G means Germany and F means France. In this is G7 countries. It is excluded Russia. If included Russia, then it is called G8 countries. You can remember like that, or otherwise you can try this one also. 1 minute. Another trick also there for G8 countries, that is Gujarat fabrics. Here also same countries, like whatever in this there. G7 countries I already said. In G7 countries excluded Russia only. In G8 countries included Russia. That's it. But if you are not remembering this trick, you can remember this one. And in that you can exclude G7, you can exclude Russia, and you can remember this G7 country, and you can include Russia, you can set G8 countries. Gujarat fabric. Gujarat, here capital letters, okay. G Germany, J Japan, F France, A America or USA. America, or B Britain, or Russia, I Italy, C Canada. Okay. Let's see the G20 countries. Tricks to remember G20 countries. The trick is गुरुजी सीता अब SSC FCI में जॉब करती है. Only capital letters, so this is not included. This is sentence. You can remember like that they form. गुरुजी सीता अब SSC FCI में जॉब करती है. Here only capital letters, that is G for G belongs to Germany, U USA, R Russia, U United Kingdom, Japan, J Japan, I India, S Saudi Arabia and Indonesia, T Turkey, A Australia, A Argentina, B Brazil, S South Africa, S South Korea, C Canada, F France, C China, S Italy, M Mexico, E European Union. Here Guruji, G Germany, U USA, R Russia, U United Kingdom. Then J Japan, I India. Okay. Then Sita, Saudi Arabia, I Indonesia, T Turkey, A Australia. Like that you can remember. Okay. This PDF will be this is end of this today's section. This PDF will be provided in our app, that is Parivartan India IS Academy. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.